Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is the Work at Home Boss, and I'm back with another job opportunity. This job opportunity is with CVS Health, and they are hiring for a remote customer service rep. And this position is for my Harrisburg, Pennsylvania residents. So, with this job, the role of the customer service representative is to be a customer friendly or a customer focus by putting people first during every interaction, inspiring trust by being courteous, empathetic, and a service professional. Create simplicity by effectively knowing the knowledge of plans, products, procedures, and systems to provide information and resolve issues resulting in enhanced customer satisfaction and retention. So, required qualifications: the schedule will be Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Experience in production environment, customer service experience in a transaction-based environment such as a call center or retail location preferred, demonstrating ability to be empathetic and compassionate. You will need strong communication and problem solving skills, empathy towards customers' needs and concerns, strong computer navigation and typing skills, ability to manage multiple screens in a transaction and high volume based environment. Preferred qualifications: healthcare insurance, preferred but not required. um, Microsoft Office Suite, knowledge of the Microsoft Office Suite, and at least 1 year in a call center setting. You will need a high school diploma, GED, or equivalent, and the pay is between $17 and $27 per hour. And so the hourly rate is based on a full-time salary for all positions in the job grade within which the position falls. So the actual base salary offer will depend on a variety of factors, including experience, education, geography, and other relevant factors. Okay. So if you're interested in this position, I'll go ahead and link it in the description below. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a job opportunity. And boss is out.